And I would like to invite Kris. I would like to invite you to this discussion to talk a little bit about the new tools and strategies. And I would like to start with a question with you. How does big data in the telco space differ from other verticals?
Well, I think you touched on it already. I mean, some of it is to do with the relative maturity of the market. It's to do with the fact that a lot was invested in more mature business intelligence solutions. There is the sort of ironically, because there's been that big enterprise data warehouse investment, that has meant the telecom sector was slightly ahead of the curve in that sense, which paradoxically has meant that perhaps less investment in some of the newer solutions. But I think if there's one key thing I would highlight, it's just the sheer multiplicity of data sources. I think that's the key opportunity and also the problem area for the telecoms market. As you can see, I mean, we've thrown in a couple of sort of slides just to sort of help us along. But if you look at the list on the right-hand side, I mean, that's what you'd pretty much expect to see in any sector. I think what's down the left that's interesting. It's not just the unstructured or semi-structured data that's derived from internet data reports or social media that's key in this sector. It's as much also the transactional and operational data that all the operators are sitting on already, if not necessarily doing much with. So it's stemming from different sources such as the CDRs. We've got call detail records there. We've got all sorts of other network and location data records, inventory, logistics data, you name it, the operators are sitting on it. And actually it's as much about combining those with what's on the right in order to deliver value as it is about just focusing on new data applications. Actually, if I could just throw in here, I think it's worth mentioning because we launched in right at the beginning without actually defining big data.